Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a continuation of my last video about what is an engine flash. I have explained this topic in my last video. If you haven't seen that video, please check in the I button and check the link in the description. I have given the link in the description and I have mentioned the video here in the I button. You can check that. Before watching this video, please watch that video and please come back to this video so that you will understand what I am saying in this video. So basically what happens is, over the period of time, after 4-5 years or 50,000 kilometers or 1 lakh kilometers, there is a jelly like substance which is formed inside your engine, okay, your car's engine. It is called engine sludge. So why this happens is, see, if you don't take your vehicle for service on time, few people are lazy. They don't change their engine oil on time, or if they change the engine oil, they won't maintain correct grade oil. And what some people do is you know they don't change the oil filters, or there are various reasons. I will be explaining about how to prevent engine sludge in my future in one of my video. No issues. Right now, just understand this topic of engine sludge, why you should not do it. In the olden days, oil quality was not that much good. Oil was not that much super refined, and sludge used to get formed inside the engines. So we need to clean that engine sludge, or those engines need to be overhauled once after 5-6 years or 50,000, 70,000, 80,000 kilometers. Why? Because sludge used to destroy those engines. Then after overhauling, then they used to get back to normal, and they used to run for another 50,000 or 1 lakh kilometers. But things have changed today. Today's engine parts are more better in terms of quality. Today's engine oils are far better than those oils which used to be there in the market 20-30 years before, 10 years before. Today we are having smaller engines but of more horsepower and more torque. So things have evolved, things have got better in today's world. Today we are having engines that give you best mileage, best engine life, less regular maintenance, all these things. And with that, they don't catch up sludge so easily. This is also main thing. Engineers have worked on this issue for years. Why? Because see, if it is catching sludge quickly, then we need to clean it first. Okay, if we have to clean it every once in a while, then maintenance is increased. Okay, maintenance cost of ownership is increased. So this is a very big flaw to the engine. So that is why today engineers have worked on it, and we are having better cars in the market. No argument in that. So long story short, today we are having better quality of parts inside the engine, and better quality of engine oil, and better quality of oil filters. So all you need to do is to just change your engine oil on time, and use good quality of oil filter, and use good quality of engine oil. If you can afford, go for fully synthetic. If not, you can go for semi-synthetic oil, no issue. But just change your engine oil on time and use oil of right viscosity. I will be making another video on various types of engine oil and how to select right engine oil for your car or motorbike. So back to our topic. All you need to do is change your engine oil on time. Why? Because if you do an engine flush in modern engines, you will be ending up in various types of problems, such as noise in the bearings. Why? Because it is a cleaner liquid. Okay, what it does is, it is like an acid. Okay, suppose if you pour acid on tiles, what happens? There is a seal between two tiles, right? That acid gets into it, and you know it punctures the seal between them, right? The same happens in your engine. If you use the engine flush, it cracks the seals and all, and it in the long run you will be having various types of issues. So better to stay away. And if you change the engine oil on time, most of the time you won't have any issue with the sludge. Suppose you have purchased a second hand vehicle, okay, and you see that there is a lot of engine sludge. In the first place, you should avoid such vehicles. Why? Because that indicates that the owner is very lazy, and he or she has not maintained the vehicle in a good manner. So stay away. You should stay away. Suppose you have purchased that vehicle, then what to do? Just drive it in a normal way. Don't try to flush the engine oil. If you take it to a mechanic or service center, by looking the vehicle, they will tell you that you need to do an engine flush. Don't do it. Why? Because sometimes vehicle will be running just because of sludge. It is a sludge which is preventing various types of cracks and from various types of seals and all. You got my point now? It is the sludge which is protecting oil leakage from various parts of an engine. So if you add engine flush, then it will remove all the sludge, and who knows, that particles may get clogged in oil galleries and all, and it restricts the oil flow to various parts of an engine, and you may end up in a engine seizure. So just stay away from that. And modern engines are so complicated. We are having variable valve timings, etc. And if you add engine flush on your engine, and just imagine that it cleans the sludge from one side, but imagine that if that sludge goes into the narrow passages of variable valve timing solenoids, then you will ruin the whole engine, and you will start getting all kinds of problems. They clog up and cause all kinds of problems in an engine. So stay away from it. So even if you purchased a second hand vehicle and you see that there is a sludge, you are having two options. Just change oil regularly in it and drive that vehicle until you get any issue, or else overhaul the complete engine. Take everything apart, take it to a good mechanic, and he will take everything apart, and he will clean it everything. He will wash all the parts with diesel and etc., and it will be fine then. Okay, whatever is required to replace, you can replace it, no issues. But don't just be lazy and add engine flush liquid. They all are myths for today's engines. You will end up with various kinds of problems. So the next time if anyone suggests you, think twice. Remember, this dirty sludge can only be cleaned by opening the engine, by opening various parts and cleaning them, and not just by running a cleaner in it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and you got some more information about engine sludge. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends. If you have any doubts on any topic related to automotive, feel free to comment below. I will be reading your comments very carefully. And thanks for watching, friends. See you in my next video. Till then, wear helmet, wear seat belt, and drive safely.